Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Lilly Designs. We said be aloof, not a doof. I'm starting off with Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat. And here is Lilly Designs. It's a thermal and we said be aloof, not a doof. Look at the flakies in there. Oh, pretty. So we're going to get started with our first coat. And I've told y'all before, thermals kind of freak me out when I go to put them on my nails because they change colors as you're doing it. And it makes you wonder, did I cover that part of the nail? But this one's going on really well. Nice smooth formula considering all those flakies in there. I'm going to cap my free edge and my tip sides. There we go. Gotta get it smooth. Alrighty, and now we're going to go in with our second coat. And as you can see, those flakies just kind of float to the top as it dries. But they're not rough or anything. They're real smooth, but you can see them. This is so squishy and cool. I love it. And cap that free edge again. Not so much that it needed it, but to smooth it. I'm going to use the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat today. I'm going to seal these in so that I can get them to dry quick. Because I'm ready to do some stamping. I am so ready to do some play in here. So we're going to get this all nice and done. Cap that free edge real quick. There we go. That's so sparkly. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Here's a swatch photo of it on its own. I'll be using the St. Holly by GoGo Only, my Beauty Big Bang Scraper, an AliExpress stamper, and Maniology's Evil Eye. I'm just gonna go ahead and fess up. I know I'm sounding all positive and happy and stuff, but this stamping didn't go so well. It didn't stick really good. I should have used some sticky base or something. But you know what? I'm going to let y'all know. I wore this just like it. Just like y'all going to see it, that's how I wore it. With missing stamps and everything. I didn't try to fix it. I just wore it because nobody else knew what that stamp was supposed to look like but me. I'm going to clean my stamper off on a lint roller, and it's, I don't know if it's the stamping polish or the stamper itself is being stubborn. It's taking a minute. And then I'm going to clean that plate with pure acetone. So we're going to go in and do this again. I did this design on 3 nails, my thumb and my ring and middle fingernails, and I just let it be, y'all. I really couldn't be bothered, and it wasn't that I didn't want to make a good video for y'all. I just want y'all to know that. But I want y'all to see that sometimes it don't work out, and it's okay because it still looks pretty. I'm going to top it off with the smudge-free top coat. Look at that transition. Watch this. It's going to start turning bluish purple right there. I love it. See, and that's why I wasn't worried about it, because I knew I had this thermal action going on. And once that's dry, I'm going to be using the Moonshine Mani Let's Go top coat. Glossy fly that up and do it to it. Alright, so we're going to start off with the swatch photo for the cool nails. Those are mostly cool, and then warm, and then we got half and half. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this one. I would love to hear from you. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.